my name is Sonia, and what made me book this call is I have dealt with a lot of other people who have tried to help me with trademarks, from friends to even a attorney, and I just didn't feel that they had the knowledge, as well as the process seemed rather complicating, that I wanted to have somebody who actually specialized in it help me so that I know I'm getting all my T's and dots crossed.
Which part of the call surprised you the most and why?
For me, it's the fact that there could be I could have enough support all the way through the entire process that there's a lot more confidence that things will be trademarked, as well as that you guys can work with different financial situations or payment plans to accomplish things.
What was the most valuable thing you got from the call?
That I will be taken care of and supported, and it won't be as complicated of a process for me to trademark my own stuff.
Would you recommend us to other people to book this call?
To book the call, yes. I have not worked with you yet.
That's why I had to add book this call.
Yes, I think this call was extremely beneficial.
Is there anything else you would like to comment on about me or this call?
Victor Nguyen is awesome.
Okay.
He's very informative and answered all my questions and was not ever irritable when I asked for clarification or anything like that. And I already feel kind of supported and wanting to work with your guys' company because of his demeanor.
All right, that's it.